Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making a bootable USB with the official Windows 10 ISO and a tool like Media Creation Tool. This ensures a clean recovery source. Once done, verify the USB boots on another machine to rule out media error and make sure you've copied any irreplaceable files to an external disk. You then reboot into BIOS or UEFI, change the boot order to USB first, and temporarily disable Secure Boot if the installer won't run. This gets you straight to the recovery environment. You boot from the USB and choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot. This is where automated fixes live. First, run Startup Repair to resolve common boot issues. If that fails, use System Restore to roll back recent changes. Pick a restore point from before the problem. Next, open Command Prompt for advanced repair. Run bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/rebuild to rebuild boot records, and run sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands fix deeper corruption. You finish by removing the USB and restoring the normal boot order once Windows loads. Make sure to check Device Manager for driver issues and run Windows Update. If repairs fail, choose Reset this PC to keep files or perform a clean install from the USB, which replaces corrupted system components. If things still go wrong, test memory with memtest and run chkdsk/f/r on the drive to detect hardware faults. Hardware problems often mimic OS corruption, so rule them out before repeating repairs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.